Notice ni hamkrai klanya ni amo jotoni no barja notice amchayo bania shimi klanya hene nahal mungtei tongkhe englak aroni hamkrai ni kogno bo wan shumnani nangnai charshalo agartala ni khungsha hotel shonga jagmani notice bankers conclave pandao manjak obhaikino khuk kenka home minister Amit Shah ashalo agini zorao munganang chane keni shuijak orthosastro bijamni kok boshaka home minister boshaka jethani lukorok arni raidano kahamke naikoli toniwo athayo joto zorao no tongkasang tongnai hene Pia samung kahamke khaina bagai rangni mariwo beleno nangkokmani amoni bagai notice amchani hamkrai khaina bagai joto palbaksa ke samung ma khlaine ashalo Amit Shah te boshaka Modi Montri Bokrok Mani Yaguni Shimino Hakoto ni GDP ni Mari Kusuwa Turuk ke Kaitongo Fainai 2027 Bishini Bishingono Bard Hakoto ni GDP no Tebo Shakautrang na Bagino Shaktari Shamung Klaitongo Kendro Hapang Fia 140 crore tongkosong lukurok Shakbai Tangrangni Mario Karak Engya Shak Ashamung Muktang Engi Manyahani Shaka Home Minister Amit Shah Fainai 2047 Bishini Bishingo Badha Kotono GDP ni mamlao jotoni she shakautrangna bagai no tabuk shamung klaitonga kendro hapang Home Minister Tebo Shaka Bikisit Barat Shamnan bagai no tabuk notice am chairok ni bagai hamkani shamung klaijagai tongo hnai
मेरे शब्द पर भरोसा रखना सबसे ज्यादा पोटेंशियल नॉर्थ ईस्ट के अंदर है और जरूरत है नॉर्थ ईस्ट को आंकड़ों से नहीं संवेदना से देखने की इसके विकास के अंदर योगदान और नॉर्थ ईस्ट के विकास के अंदर योगदान हर बैंक और हर वेंचर कैपिटल के लिए एक बिजनेस का काम नहीं होना चाहिए राष्ट्रीय दायित्व का काम होना चाहिए ये समझकर एक सहानुभूति की दृष्टिकोण से ये विकसित हो रहे क्षेत्र को पूर्ण विकसित बनाने के लिए सभी बैंकर्स आए मोदी जी के हाथ मजबूत करें और नॉर्थ ईस्ट के हर एक राज्य के अंदर के पोटेंशियल का 100% एक्सप्लोर कर विकसित भारत बनाने की दिशा में आगे बढ़े यही आप सबसे अपील और अभ्यर्थना भी है फिर एक बार आप सब नॉर्थ ईस्ट के विकास को अपना दायित्व समझिए ऐसी बात कर मेरी वाणी को विराम देता हूँ वंदे मातरम भारत माता की जय
Ashalo notice ni kabangma bank ni branch kabang khaina bagi note kami am chairogo loan remani bishingti lukurok no chubachu khaina bagi no kok naraka kendro ni notice hamkrai montri Jyotiraditya Scindia
Today there is a significant increase in bank branches, digital transactions, financial literacy. Credit growth has grown tremendously. Number of bank branches have grown by almost 50%. From 3,330 to 5,182. Bank deposits have grown by 152% to almost 3.52 lakh crores. Credit growth has grown by 282% to 1.86 lakh crore. Jan Dhan accounts have grown by almost 2.8 crores. Our mutual fund liquid assets have grown from 16,000 crores to almost 40,000 crores in the Northeast. And lending for agricultural credit has grown to almost 70,000 crores, multiplied by almost 7 times in the last 10 years. So there has been tremendous growth. But there is still growth yet to come. And that growth has to be represented by all of you. Private sector banks, public sector banks, government agencies, all of you having boots on the ground in the Northeast.
Ashalo Kognara Thangai Hastani Montri Okra Dr. Manisha Shaka Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Jivan Bima Yojana Pradhan Mantri Jivan Jyoti Yojana Atal Pension Yojana te Sukanya Simidhi Yojana hai Kabangma Kendro Hapang Kahamshep Hastewo Bishak Zorati Unka Amonoti Kok Shaka Montri Okra
As per National Strategy for Financial Inclusion guideline, every village of the state has been provided with banking touch point or outlet. It is to be mentioned here that every district and every block of the state has the ATM facility. State level bankers committee SLBC of Tripura has received the award of excellence since financial year 2021-22 under Atal Pension Yojana scheme. In our state, number of financial literacy centers are running with an objective of scaling up covering all 58 blocks. 2,800 business correspondences are playing an important role in increasing financial inclusion of the state by facilitating banking services at very low cost. Banks have commendable effort in priority sectors by lending with agricultural loans and MSME credit seeing notable growth. All the bank and microfinancial institutions are participating to provide mudra loan to the unemployed youth in rural and semi-urban areas of the state.
आशाल नॉर्थ ईस्ट हामक्राई तांबेदेगनि केंद्र प्रतिमंत्री डॉक्टर सुकांत मजुमदार न बखबे कुबुनि अजामा रोग मानजाखा पांदावो ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट कखरां।